Hello everyone, I am Assistant Professor Pragati Shetty from Department of Microbiology, KJ Somaiya College. In this online lecture, we will study about the plant disease control methods with the help of the viral proteins. Right, so in the last online lecture, we have reached till the coat protein mediated resistance. Okay, so in this table, we were studying this table in the last online lecture. Right, so this table tells us some of the examples, right? Depending upon the crops, you can see in the first column there are the cereals, then fruits and vegetables, right? Then the virus which infects this type of the crops, okay, we can say MDMV virus, responsible for viral infection in the maize. PRV virus, responsible for causing viral infection in the papaya. Yeah, right, like that. So now, and in the last one, the field tested, this column tells us that the successful reports or the positive results after the viral protein mediated resistance in such plants. So for that, the reported cases were for the papaya, tomato, potato and the cucumber. So these plants have shown the successful results. They have shown the resistance against their viruses. Why? Because we have incorporated this plant, these crops with the viral proteins. Right. Now in the last lecture, we studied the coat protein mechanisms, the hypothesis mechanisms, right? In this online lecture, we are studying the second type, that is the replicase mediated resistance. Now in most of the cases of these resistant types, they will provide the plant resistance. Also, they will necrosis. They will result into the necrosis. What is necrosis? Is the cell death. Okay, so they will cause harm to that host also, which we cannot afford, right? And therefore this method is very efficient and very effective. Why? Because the replicase mediated resistant plant will definitely give resistance to that host plant. Also, it will not cause any harm to that host. Okay, it will not show the necrosis. In most of the cases, in 90% of the cases, it will not show the necrosis, and therefore it is very effective and it is very demanding process. All right. Okay, then for example, in the potato plant, in the potato, this is the reported example. Okay, then they have introduced the coat protein, the replicase protein of this virus, that is the PLRV virus, responsible for causing viral infection in the potato. Okay, and they have compared the coat protein resistant and this replicase mediated resistant in the potato plant, okay, against that virus, and they have observed that the coat protein resistance resulted into the necrosis, whereas the replicase mediated resistance will not resulted in, there has been not shown any type of necrosis for this plant, right? So they are definitely will be more effective for the host plant, right? Then after this approach therefore has been successfully used for the cucumber mosaic virus, against the TMV virus and against the potato virus. Okay, then it is again this type, that is the replicase mediated type, is very specific, okay, to the specific type of the virus. That means the replicase from the potato virus is only can give resistance against this to the potato plant, okay, and it will only give resistance to that virus only, potato virus only. It will not provide resistance to any other plant and any other virus type, and therefore it is a very specific type of the resistance, the replicase resistance. Although it is very effective and it is very beneficial for the host plant. Okay, then similarly, like in the coat protein resistant mechanisms, in this cases also were not very distinct definitive mechanism has been studied. Okay, in fact some cases has been reported like there is no particular mechanism that is present, but although even if it regardless of this, the plant is showing very much good resistance after incorporating this replicase into that plant. Okay, this is about the replicase mediated resistance. Okay, in this online lecture we studied the examples of the coat protein mediated resistance, and then we studied the replicase mediated resistance. Okay, I hope you understood this online lecture. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this or the previous lecture, if you have any doubt regarding that lecture also, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.